Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, January the 14th, 2025. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional. Yes, the additional. Let me show you the additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars Sudoku, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here 2 JigSaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. First one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. News of today, well, there's a lot of wildfires in LA, Los Angeles area. Yeah, a lot of houses burned down, so a lot of wildfires. That's the news. The first one will be number 9899. Well, we have 100 puzzles left. Alright, before I start, I always count and print the digits. This one is a lot, 28. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 28. 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have 4 and a 9 in this big square. So no. 9 and a 1. We have a 9 and a 1 in this big square. So no 9 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. 9 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 1, 9 and 1. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 in the second row, no 8 there. The only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Well, 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this third column, so no 2 and 3 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing and 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in the last row for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left on 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 supposed to be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. Numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 6 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places level 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places level 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 supposed to be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay, how about the 8s? And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Then let me see. 2, 2. Okay. Yeah. 7, 6 in the 5. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The only place left is 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left with a 7 in this big square. Supposed to be there. 7 and a 6. We have a 7 now in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 7 in the middle row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 now in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next, so in that column, the only place level the 9 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the last column, the 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left, the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, and 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 now in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there, finish in 10 minutes. This one is real quick to solve. Told you. Cannot be a 3, 2, or 1. Should be a 0 stars. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.